So, making a gate, and Dave welded up the frame out of aluminum, and that's 2x2, and man, that's thick stuff. Anyway, I mounted it to the wall, like so. I was a little bit dubious whether the wall could take it, but time will tell, and it seems pretty good. I've got 15 screws in there, so put some latches in there, use a couple of bags of concrete, and the gate's really light. The covering on it only weighs about 25 pounds. Anyway, came along pretty nice. So we used this thick corrugated plastic on it, and I didn't think about that until after we made the frame, and I thought, man, that could be really light and really durable, and if it ever breaks or whatever, it's really easy to replace. I'm going to put one more bar down the center here to support the center of the plastic, and I'm going to make another gate on this side. But yeah, pretty good gate making.